Hey guys, my name is Nick and I'm bald.
No, God, please, no!
There is no hair up there. I started losing my hair when I was 16 years old. Literally still in junior high. I woke up one morning and I started feeling like it was thinning out on the top and I was freaking out. I didn't know what to do. I always knew that hair loss was inevitable. It runs on both sides of my family. It's hereditary in my family. So I knew I was gonna have to deal with it at one point or another, but I did not at all in my wildest dreams think it was gonna happen at 16 years old.
Sweet 16.
I tried everything. Like, I tried the comb over look. I tried like rubbing my head. That was weird, sorry. I tried Rogaine. I tried all different kinds of products. I will not do a hair transplant. I can't even watch Grey's Anatomy, you guys, without turning my head. I know it's fake. They're not really cutting. The only way that I was going to regrow my hair was if it was in a pill form or a lotion or something, and I tried all of them and none of them worked for me. So I finally had to come to the conclusion, you guys, that I was gonna be bald. I bicked my head and I was like, I'm gonna rock this look, and you know what? I like the way it looks. I think it fits my personality and fits my look. Is that what you'd, I don't know. So for the past almost 10 years now, I have rocked this look here. It wasn't until just recently, a friend of mine approached me and told me about a product called Monat and asked if I would ever be interested in naturally regrowing my hair. I had to kind of question a little bit. I've tried everything, so why would now like some natural product regrow my hair, right? She explained a little bit more about the product and what it does, and then she showed me some before and after pictures of other people. So I told her, absolutely, I will try the product. She gave me this shampoo and conditioner. It's Monat Black. We're gonna talk more into detail in an upcoming video about these products. This is a shampoo and conditioner, and then this is the Intense Repair. So I think this is the magic spray here that's supposed to, in this 6 months, regrow my hair. So we will see. Here's the thing. It's not that I'm against my look, I'm against being bald or anything like that, or that I'm insecure about the bald look. I love how this looks, but I would also love to have my hair back too, and there's nothing wrong with that. I think it's okay to wish you had your hair back, but then also to be fine with being bald too. Here's the thing about being bald that I don't like is I have to shave my head every single day in order for it to be truly like shaved. I don't like that shadow which I'm rocking right now, but I don't like having that shadow look. Like if I'm gonna do it, like I wanna bick the whole head. Is there another word for bicking your head? Shave my head? From now on, we're gonna say shave my head, and you guys understand. If I'm gonna be shaving my head, I wanna shave all of it. I have to do it every day. I don't like doing that every day. I understand there are people that are watching this right now that you are rolling your eyes. Other people shave their legs and stuff. Yours is far worse. Harder, I get it. The truth of the matter, if you ask any other person that's bald like this, if they wake up every morning like, I'm really excited to shave my head today, that won't happen. Like, that's not how they think at all. I would love for you guys to join me on this journey of the 6 months of trying this product out to see if I can regrow my hair. I'm gonna update every single week on the progress, on how well or not well my hair is or is not growing, and give you guys the reality and the truth of what I'm feeling and how I think it's going with this product. Anyways, till next time, thank you guys so much for watching, and I will talk to you next week. Bye.